Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I'll show you how to make popular YouTube videos from scratch using free tools in today's video. All the tools we'll use in today's video are totally free to use. I'll show you how to utilize these tools to make interesting, high-quality videos in less than an hour. I'll next explain how to optimize your video for views. If you are interested in making money online, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that I can bring more interesting content to you. We just need to perform a little research to determine what kind of topics are going viral inside your niche before we even start generating the video. And then we can start creating the video. Then we must optimize it by giving it the appropriate title, description, and tags before uploading it. And we can do all of this within an hour. So let's begin the video. Step 1. Topic research. The first thing you must do is conduct some preliminary research. You must find a channel in your niche that offers the same service or something comparable. First, find a channel and then select the video you wish to copy from that channel. The video that you go with must have had a respectable amount of views accumulated over the course of the preceding 3 months. Pick the video that you want to remake and improve its view count on. Step 2. Writing the script with AI. We now need to create a script for the video you selected. There are 2 approaches to do this. The first option is a cost-free method that makes use of a tool called Ryter. Ryter is perhaps the greatest AI writer available online today. Therefore, by clicking Start Writing, you may begin writing for free. You are allowed to write up to 5,000 words for free each month. It has infinite words if you pay to the $30 monthly edition. But 5,000 words should be more than enough to get you going. Later, after you start making money from your channel, you may upgrade to the free version. So just copy the video's title, choose New Document, and paste it into the channel. Name the document now using the title of your video. You will thus receive the document on which you will create your script. Select the script's language and tone. The author is essentially asking us what we want to write where it says Use Case. Is this a pitch for a business idea? Is this a script for copywriting? Is this a Twitter or Facebook discussion? So pick your script concept. If you select a blog concept, a blog will be written, but we can later edit it into a video script. Choose the number of variations after pasting the video title into the primary keyword box. If you select option 3, we will receive 3 potential video titles and 3 separate sets of outlines. Then choose High Creativity and press Write. As a result, it will generate 3 distinct titles and 3 distinct sets of outlines for the video in a matter of seconds. Choose the one you want and remove the others. You will be given a variety of titles. Simply highlight the title and select Paragraph to add a paragraph. And a paragraph will be written about that title. All that remains to be done is to read this through and make sure it reads more like a YouTube script. Sometimes it will say something like in this blog or in this post. You just need to alter it from this to in this video instead. Additionally, it contains a brand new function called Continue Writing. Additionally, this function is really helpful. If, for instance, you felt that a certain area lacked sufficient coverage and you wanted to add more, you may mark that paragraph and choose to continue writing. And it will continue to write. With the help of this writing tool, you may quickly draft script without the need to hire writers, who would charge hundreds of dollars simply to write for one video. So just like that, you've finished drafting the script in a very short time. However, if you actually liked any of the video's content and want to rephrase it in your own words, you may utilize the Rev option. However, this really costs a bit more. You should do this if you're prepared to pay an AI less than $5 to rewrite the script for you. However, it is entirely optional. Use this website, rev.com, and create a free account. Select Automated Transcribing by clicking the Place New Order button. Now paste the YouTube video link into the Paste the URL box. After selecting Add, choose I'm finished. It will only cost 75 cents to compose the precise script for the video. You must now copy the identical script, go to Ryter, and simply paste it in the document to recreate it in your own words. Select the sentence you wish to change now. 300 characters is the most you can highlight. Click Rephrase after selecting it. The script will be rewritten using new terms and your script will also be completed. Step 3. Create the video. Creating voiceover. Now that we have the script, it is time to begin production on the video. In order to accomplish it, we will utilize the Climpchamp tool. This utility is also available at no cost at all. Simply sign up for a free account and then click the option labeled Create a Video. Creating the voiceover ought to be the first step at this point. To accomplish this, copy your script, then navigate to Climpchamp. Click on Record and Generate and select Text-to-Speech from the drop-down menu. Therefore, go ahead and choose it. Then paste your script in the designated area while you select the language and voiceover choices. You may also choose the tempo of the voiceover and then click the Review button. If you are satisfied with the way the voiceover sounds, click the Save to Media button. And with that, the recording of the voiceover is over. Create background music. Let's add some background music now that we have the narration. Using the YouTube audio library or creating the music from scratch are the two options you can use. The YouTube audio library has some free music that you may download. If you simply go to YouTube Studio or studio.youtube.com, you'll notice an audio library there where you can discover all kinds of various music that you can use for free on your YouTube videos. You can actually locate this from your YouTube channel as well. The other option is to utilize a program called Soundraw.io to employ AI to compose original video music. First, create a free account. Then, simply tell Soundraw what type of music you're attempting to produce, the genre, the length, and the pace, then click Create. And it will start producing a variety of music for you in a matter of seconds. It often just takes 10 seconds to get your own music, which you may use without charge and exclusively for yourself. This is music that you yourself own. Additionally, you don't even need to be a skilled musician to use this. The music is just created for you and sounds great. To download the music, click Download once you've clicked play and have made your selection. It will only take a short while for the music to download. Then, in Climpchamp, add your background music to your file. Add stock footage. We'll now include some clips in our video. To do this, we will go to the website Pexels.com. This amazing free website may also provide you with videos that do not include any copyright material. There are a few videos that were taken from stock on there. All that is required of you at this point is to search for and save videos that are relevant to your script. After that, adjust and reorder the video parts in accordance with the screenplay you provided. After that, you may see the preview by clicking the play button. You should keep editing it until you are happy with the outcome. You may create a video in significantly less time than an hour by making use of these free tools. After we have finished producing our video, the next step is to think about how we can make it as profitable as possible. Step 4. Optimizing the video for views. I'll now explain how to increase the number of views on your video. It's actually very easy. All you have to do is return to the video you used for your study and add comparable tags. We'll use the free Google Chrome extension that can be downloaded from the website vidIQ.com. Go to vidIQ.com, then get the free Google Chrome extension by clicking on Extension. And when you install it, your YouTube video will have a vidIQ section on the side. You can get the video tags area when you click on Stats and scroll down. Copy and paste these tags into your videos, then edit some of them to include your own content and delete others. The title and description of your video must now be written. Create your video's title and description using the tags on Ryter. You'll be done then. So that's basically how you optimize the number of views on the video. Additionally, keep in mind that just because you optimize a video for views doesn't guarantee that it will become popular immediately. You must be persistent. You must post several videos since just one popular video may propel another to popularity. So that's all for today's video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.